Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
Taught me about how Joseph took a wife in the hour of famine. He was the one with the grain. Oh, and love taught me to live in a world of perfect faith. He has been my guide, leading and guiding me through all things.
Love changed my concept of thinking.
Why
Why was love taking so long?
Hallelujah.
I felt connected the day I met you. Love showed me you were the one. Isn't this love?
Yes, it is love.
Isn't it sweet?
Yes, it is sweet.
I can't stop thinking about it. How love has caused us to meet.
Isn't this love?
Yes, it is love.
And isn't it sweet?
It is sweet.
It was worth praying for, worth fighting for on our knees.
Let's
Live in the power of love. There were times when I prayed, could love really happen to me? But love kept me patient. Love taught me how to pray more sincerely. One day love had you to pass my way, and with you I felt that connection. All that I prayed for was there in your smile. Love showed me you were the one. Ooh,
Isn't this love?
yes, it is love.
Isn't it sweet?
Yes, it
Hallelujah. Praise his wonderful name. Certainly very special.